या नॅशनल सरपंच या मिस्टर फ्रेडी आयज आमी काल आमकां आमच्या एक्स MLA सांगलें ग्लेनान की आपणें तुका सगळ्या चारूय पंचायतीचे तुका ते सरपंचांक घेवन ते मेंबरांक घेवन तुका ते आयज आपण ते मिटींग घेता म्हणून आनी ताणें आमकां सांगलें की मिटींग आपूण तुका हातून घेता म्हणून की हेल्थान पूण जेन्ना हांवें पळयलें की हेल्थाचे ऑफिसर वचून आमचे तुका हातून रावले ते पंचायतीन ते रावले आनी म्हाकाय तें तुका तें वायट दिसलें कित्याक हेल्थ पळय डिपार्टमेंट आहा तें सगळ्यांचें आसता हातून तुका पार्टी लेवल तुका तें लागना पूण आयज आल्दोनचें हांव तर हेल्थ सेंटर तर पळयता जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की तें फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट तें कशें तातूंत तुका झाडां सुकल्यान दिसता ती जोंदेलां दिसतात पुलीस आयज ह्या कॉटेज तुका ती सारकी नासता पूण जेन्ना फाटीं एक्स MLA आमचो ग्लेन बाब 10 वर्सांक ताणें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काडलें कितें पूण मातशें तुका ते रितीन आल्दोणा कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमची तुका बरी तुका ते चलताली आनी आमी तेन्ना पळयलां की आल्दोणा फाटल्या 10 वर्सांक व्हडली कंट्रक्शनां तुका ती येना हाल्ली पूण आतां सगळीं ही भायल्या दिल्लीवाल्याची कंट्रक्शनां येवपाक लागलीं आनी आयज हे दिल्लीवाले तांचो चडांत चड गुन्हे आसा हे मलेरिया आनी तुका ते डेंगू तुका हे जावपाक आनी आमच्या हांव एक्स MLA तुका थँक्यू म्हणटा की ताणें आपली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तशीच सांबाळून दवरल्या आनी सगळ्या सरपंचांक आपल्या सरपंचांक आनी तो मेंबरांक घेवन फुडें वता म्हणून ताका चड आमच्या पंचायतीच्या नांवान हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा.
एक्चुअली डेंगू आनी मलेरिया केसीस भरपूर वाडलेले आसा त्या खातीर हांव आयलो आय मेट द हेल्थ ऑफिसर अलॉंग विथ सेंट्रल इन्स्पेक्टर प्रसाद आनी सगळे उलोवप करप जालें आनी ते उलयता आसतना ताणें सांगलें की सर आमकां कॉर्पोरेशन जाय फ्रॉम ऑल द पंचायत मेंबर्स इफ दॅट इज द केस आसा आय विल कॉल ऑल माय पंचायत म्हणजे 4 पंचायत आमचे बरोबर ऑफकोर्स इवन आल्दोना एंड पोंबो ऑल्सो इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंटली इज ऑल वी हॅव टू वर्क टुगेदर and we will take the meeting because this has to be immediately looked into because you can't delay not even a single minute. Very well, I would be very happy. Tikau call kelo Sanjay sangle doctor tomorrow we will we all coming at 9:15. Okay mano no problem. Thereupon magir ano ko kinale boite and then I got a call again from her from the health office saying that sir something has come in the news and all that and that we cannot have the meeting over here. I said, who called up? Deputy Director called up of DSS. I said, why? Why can't we have a meeting? I said, meeting is a health issue. No, then you have it somewhere else because I need to take permission. From whom? I said, from DSS and from the HM. I said, that's not possible. I said, being an ML for last 10 years, this has never has happened. This is a health issue and all the punch members, sarpanch, all elected representatives. And they will want to come and sort out the issue here only and not in some panchayat hall. Not a panchayat meeting, I told her. Then I said, give me Rupa's call, deputy director. So when she sent me the number, I called her up. I could not connect to her. It rang, it went off. Then I sent a message, please, I need to talk to you urgently. So that never happened. And then thereafter, all my punch members, were agitated. Nothing, so we'll go there and meet her. And she was supposed to be here, but unfortunately, she was not there. Why she's not there, I don't know. Pressure from whom the pressure has come. From which godfather, what happened? Now this is an issue related to the health. And where she should have been there as a responsible, she's a good health officer, she's very cooperative, but I was surprised. After Tanjan Sangla Kide, Prasad Sangla Kai Karna Khadir, she's been called for some meeting. But she was here in the morning. She was there in the morning and suddenly for all meeting and everything, she's not there. But somehow she didn't want to have the meeting and I'm wondering why. And the corners of pressure,
so any godfather is there behind her?
It appears to be. Nani kita to? Tashat kita asale no? Ata ami ati kita bore kung so we are trying to help the health officer. How much she can do? How much can the sanitary inspector do? Even Namnat Kerkar has even been very, very cooperative. He's looking after 2 panchayats, Basor and Ukasen. He has given the full schedule. He has been very cooperative. So if she was, there would have been all the more better, no? But she did not turn up. So that's why I have called for another meeting immediately. I call all the members again on one call, then have a meeting with her as well and also with Prasad.
Almost आल्दोना मतदारसंघात 100च्या वयर केसेस डिटेक्ट जाल्ल्यो आसा आणि ते स्वतः तिने जेन्ना सांगला परमिशनाची गरज लागता.
Exactly. Whose permission from whom? And I'm telling HM, I'm so honorable Minister of Affairs will never ever. He's very cooperative. He's a friend of his, our colleague. He's very, very cooperative. And issues like this, he's always been cooperative in other ways. Taja now go up, deputy director now go up and call Kellan Rupa. Rupa is the deputy director. She didn't. It rang and then it was disconnected. And then I sent a message. She didn't attend to my call.
In this 10 years of career of yours, तुम्ही केन्ना ऐकलं हे?
Never ever. First time अशें जाल्लें आसा. I mean, you having a meeting where all the elected representatives, they all elected.
Public
Okay.
betterment issues
Yeah, for-
getting around the public
No,
betterment
you're पागल
issues.
जाणं ते. What is issue?
आमचं पर्सनल कितें नासलो.
Nothing.
It's a health issue.
And there was no any
Very important.
politics.
It's a health
It's a health issue, no? Meeting जाली
So
ना,
हितून
plus it's
पॉलिटिक्स
almost-
जाल्या खंय तरी
दिसता न्हू मोनोपोली गेम जाल्ली आसा कशी दिसता की काल सराक जर अपॉइंटमेंट दिता एक्स MLA आनी एक्स MLA एक खंय तरी इनिशिएटीव घेता आनी तेज्या उतराक आयज पंचायत मेंबर आसा सरपंच हांगा जितल्यो पंचायत आयज हांगा तेज्या उतराक येयल्ले आसा हें खंय तरी कोणाक दुखता आसतलें अशें
सो हो आवाज तुम्ही आता हेल्थ ऑफिस मिनिस्टरा कडे CM मेरेन पावयतले
Well, definitely, I will talk to the health minister, I will talk to the honorable chief minister. I will put it in black and white and I will send it to them.
हांव सुभाष मोरजकार बस्तारा सरपंच. आयज आमी आमच्या हेल्थ ऑफिसरा कडेन आमच्या एक्स MLA ग्लॅन सोजा टिकलोन काल अपॉइंटमेंट घेतलेलो. कित्याक आमच्या आल्दोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन डेंगू आनी मलेरिया केसीस खूब वाडल्या म्हणून. सो आमकां तेच्या कडसून सगळे स्टॅटिस्टीक जाय आसली आनी तेचेर सोल्युशन जाय आसलें कितें करपाक. म्हटल्यार जेन्ना आमी हांगासर पावले हितून हेल्थ ऑफिसर हितून आल्दोना PSCन तेन्ना आमकां दिसून येयलें जाल्यार हेल्थ ऑफिसर आयज आमकां मेळोंक ना. सो आतां आमगे सेकंड मिटींग तिच्या कडेन आमकां तिचो अपॉइंटमेंट आमी फिक्स करपाचो थारायला आनी हेचेर इश्यूचेर आमी ताका सोल्युशन काडटले विथ द हेल्प ऑफ हेल्थ सेंटर आनी पंचायत. थँक्यू.